explaining how to make link between carrier and service by using master carrier service screen. As all master screens, after opening the screen, it will open the list screen. To create the new carrier service link, need to click on New Carrier Service button. Then it will show the carrier drop-down whatever we created in master carrier screen. And next it will display the service drop-down whatever we created in master service drop-down. After selecting carrier and service, it will automatically merge in carrier service name field. Carrier service order is not mandatory actually. What it means, based on that given number it will show the order in booking screen. Next, delivery days field, it is also not mandatory. It means for every individual carrier there is a separate delivery days limit, so how many days that carrier will deliver shipments. Finally, next one is the send SMS after delivery radio button. Based on every individual carrier, we can send the SMS functionality permission by using that option. NBS NMD BSM